I've stumbled upon an incredibly promising niche for the TikTok creativity program. What I mean by promising is that this niche is still relatively untapped. At the time of recording this video, I've only encountered one TikTok page related to it. This niche is called the couples quiz niche. Now, why does this niche have the potential to go viral? Well, anyone with a brain would understand. Let me explain. While we're all familiar with the random IQ quizzes flooding our feeds, the couples quiz niche offers a refreshing twist with triple the engagement potential. Let me break it down for you. Imagine this TikTok popping up on your girlfriend's For You page, assuming you have one. She's likely to share it with you directly or tag you in the comments, signaling to TikTok that people are enjoying and interacting with the content. But it doesn't stop there. Once shared with their significant others, the boyfriends are forced to watch the video, perhaps even multiple times, and engage further by replying to their girlfriends in the comments. This interaction creates a ripple effect of engagement, increasing the video's visibility and potential virality. Surprisingly, creating videos for this niche is simpler than you might imagine. Might have heard that the TikTok creativity program beta is limited to certain countries like the US, UK, and Germany, but fear not. I've cracked the code on how anyone, regardless of location, can join in on the cash flow. After days of fighting with the TikTok security, I finally got the inside scoop for you. So, let's get down to business. Step 1, head over to the website I've linked in the description. There, you can grab as many US TikTok accounts as you need. Why US accounts? Well, not only do they grant you access to the TikTok creativity program, but they also give your content a boost with a higher RPM. That's revenue per 1,000 views. Now, you guys might be wondering why there's a bigger difference in RPM. Let me break it down for you. Picture this. You're craving a bag of chocolate. You head to the store in an Asian country and snag a bag. Then, you jet off to the UK or US and grab another bag. Now here's the kicker. The price difference is huge. Same chocolate, but the cost in the UK or US is significantly higher. Now think of advertisers as the chocolate buyers. They're willing to shell out more cash to reach audiences in the US and UK. It's like they're throwing money at you to get their ads in front of those audiences. And guess what? That means more money in your pocket for the same amount of views. In this case, the US and UK are like the golden ticket to higher earnings on TikTok. Now, to sweeten the deal, I've even scored an exclusive discount code from the website owner. Just use code R2 at checkout for a cool 10% off. You're welcome. But wait, there's more. Before you dive in head first, make sure to follow the login instructions sent to your email. We don't want TikTok sniffing around and ruining our money-making party. Spend a day or two warming up your account by engaging with content like a regular user. And here's a pro tip. Upload your first video before tweaking your profile. Trust me, TikTok's algorithm can be as fickle as my taste in late-night snacks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be your personal guide on this journey. First, we'll begin by crafting the quizzes for this video. Allow me to demonstrate how to utilize ChatGPT for this task. I've formulated a specific prompt instructing ChatGPT to generate 10 comparisons similar to the examples provided. These comparisons serve as a framework for the quiz content. Since the TikTok creativity program only pays for videos lasting a minute or longer, it's essential to include 10 to 15 comparisons in the video. As showed here, we've obtained 10 comparisons. However, feel free to expand upon this list by adding any additional comparisons you deem fit. In all honesty, this process is quite straightforward. You don't necessarily require ChatGPT for this task. You can manually brainstorm hundreds of comparisons like these. The next step is to create voiceovers. 11 Labs stands out as one of the premier and most realistic text-to-speech AI voice generators available. With a library of AI voices at your disposal, you can even clone your own voice, eliminating the need for costly recording equipment. What's more, you can monetize your videos using these voices. Signing up is free, with an initial allowance of 10,000 characters. For our video, we'll need 2 voiceovers, one for the hook and another for the script we developed earlier. Let's explore the AI voices and choose the most suitable one for this video. It's crucial to use both male and female voices for such content. If the focus is on the boyfriend, opt for a female voice. Conversely, for content centered around the girlfriend, a male voice works best. In this demonstration, I'll use a male voice. To kick off the video, I'll introduce some intriguing questions like, do you really know your boyfriend? I've prepared hooks like this in the description. Select one, paste it into the text box, and generate the voiceover. Next, we'll copy the script we created in our ChatGPT session and generate a voiceover for that too. And with that, we're done with creating the voiceovers. The next step is to gather suitable images for our comparison. This task is straightforward. We can utilize Google Images to find appropriate visuals. Ideally, we aim for images with transparent backgrounds for seamless integration. It's important to collect 20 images in total for all comparisons. Once we've gathered these images, we'll organize them into a single folder for easy access. Now, let's procure a background video layer. We'll head over to pexels.com and navigate to the Videos section. Here, we'll search for textured backgrounds to find a suitable backdrop. Any background from the resulting videos will work. Additionally, we'll need a stopwatch animation. We can find copyright-free stopwatch green screen animations on YouTube. After selecting an appropriate animation, simply copy the video's link and download it using a reliable website that supports video downloads. Finally, we need to download a few sound effects to enhance our video. We can find these sound effects on pixabay.com, a website offering a wide range of audio content without any copyright issues. Let's search for a whoosh sound effect to add some excitement, as well as a clock ticking sound effect to create tension or urgency. Once we've found the suitable sound effects on Pixabay, we can download them. With these sound effects, we have all the necessary materials to edit the final output and create a compelling video. To edit all these elements, you can utilize CapCut, a free video editor available for both mobile and computer platforms. Once you've downloaded CapCut, follow these steps. Start a new project within CapCut. Select a suitable size for your video by clicking the Modify button. Opt for a 9:16 ratio to align with popular social media dimensions. Import all the voiceovers and images into the project. To begin editing, drag the hook voiceover onto the timeline, placing them in the desired sequence. Next, add the background video layer on top of the voiceovers. Adjust its size to fit the frame appropriately, ensuring it covers the entire surface area of the video. Then go to text and click on Auto Captions. Select the language and click Generate. Once generated, we can edit this text using this side menu. Let's change this to a new font change size and other settings however you like. Next, add an animation of your choice by clicking on the Animations tab. Now that we have our hook, let's make the comparison scene. Drag the comparison voiceover and split it up into different comparisons. Then add text, then edit the text and give animations. Then write the caption for the comparisons. You can simply copy-paste from ChatGPT to add the timer, drag and drop it on the timeline. Make sure to put it right after when the text ends. Select the timer overlay and then go to cutout. Once you're there, select the chroma key and click on the green screen. Now adjust the strength till the green screen disappears. Next, drag the two images being compared and position like this, so you have the timer in the middle. Let's give ticking sound to the timer. Drag and drop the sound like this, and adjust the duration same as the green screen. Next, drag and drop the whoosh sound we downloaded and add it at the start of the comparison when the images appear. Finally, give the images an animation to make them more appealing. Now that you understand the workflow, you'll replicate the same process for all the comparisons. Simply duplicate these layers and adjust the captions accordingly. While it may take several minutes to complete, the process remains straightforward. Ensure you incorporate the sound effects appropriately aligning them with the corresponding actions in the video. Once you've added all the comparisons, you're ready to export the final video. While this process may require some time to complete, it's relatively simple,